What do we got here, Dan?
This is a 2021 KTM 300 XC TPI.
What are we going to do to it?
We are going to be installing our lighting harness kit. These new TPI 300s, unlike the carb version, do not come with a headlight or a taillight plug. So we make a harness to add that to these bikes.
Cool. Let's see what you got.
All right. First thing you need to do is remove your seat, tank, and number plate. So in your kit, you're going to get your on-off switch and your relayed harness. So how this installs on this bike. So you're going to want to take off these rubber boots here and disconnect that, and then take this wiring right there, get that kind of loose, slide your relay underneath and put the rubber post on here like so. Put that back down there. You're going to run, this is your tail light connector, so that's going to come down into your air box down there to hook to your tail light. This connector is for your headlight, so you're going to run it along here, the factory wiring, come down, feed it next to this connector through. Next to the factory harness here. And up along the left side of the bike. There you go. So what this is going to provide you is now you have relayed power for accessories. So 2 spots for ground, 2 spots for power. This is a factory KTM headlight plug. Back here, now that we've kind of routed that, you're going to want to find your OBD2 sensor. Let's do that. You're going to pop your ECU off. They usually live under here. So there it is. Pop that out of there. You want to take the cap off. Put that in your toolkit or a safe place. This wire just kind of route down and beside and get it to come over here and oops, plug it in like so. And get that to sit right back in there. Like that. You can put your ECU back on. The leftover spots, obviously your taillight plug. We're not going to hook up the battery on this bike right now, but when you take this off, you run your fuse to your power and you run your ground. This taillight plug will slip underneath this power wire and down into your air box for your taillight. And for installing the switch in the headlight, so waterproof push button on and off switch. Nice thing is that it fits perfectly in the turn signal spot. Screw your cap back on. Now under here, you'll have your headlight plug, and you'll need to wire in your switch, which is these two single female bullet connectors. So switch there. And there. You can now install your headlight. We're not going to go ahead and install this because this is a brand new bike, but just to give you an idea. That'll be your headlight on there. This will be your on and off button for your headlight. And it is simple as that. You now have a harness that'll turn off when the bike turns off, and also give you auxiliary power. You can run a fan, USB charger, heated grips, whatever else you want off these. The 300 TPI XC bikes, 250 TPI XC bikes have 195 watt stator, so plenty of power to run big headlights, heated grips, your GPS, whatever else you want to run. And then just when you follow the harness up here, use a couple little zip ties and tie them down, and then put your straps, rubber straps back on. Simple as that. Thanks for watching.